Tactic 8. The Measure and Map Mission, Phase 2, Near Field, 10-point monitoring, and outlying areas. Near Field. Strike Team 3 will begin by surveying the area between the detonation area and the 1-kilometer transect. Their objective will be to confirm the actual hot zone boundary, and general location of radiological fragments. Complex urban wind fields can create a chaotic hot zone contamination area. Adjust hot zone boundaries using convenient local features, such as roads, to contain the areas that exceed hotline exposure rates or contamination levels. The 10-point monitoring plan. If radiological contamination is detected at the 1-kilometer transect, initiate the 10-point monitoring plan, shown here. Monitoring locations are approximate, and measurements do not need to be obtained by a strike team if there are fixed locations near these points that can make and report local radiological measurements. In this example, 3 of the locations are near a firehouse, a police precinct, and a hospital. Contacting personnel at these types of locations who have radiation detectors will help facilitate rapid data collection. Outlying areas. Make measurements in outlying areas to confirm that radiation is not present. If data collection points are available in these outlying areas, in the form of firehouses, police stations, universities, hospitals, and other locations where radiation monitoring equipment is available, strike teams are not required to collect these field measurements. Instead, agency representatives should contact personnel at these locations to report their local radiological measurements. If no fixed location exists in the outlying areas, send responders to confirm background radiation measurements. The EOC will aggregate data collected from all strike teams into the incident data map for the entire jurisdiction. Response planners should use tools, such as FEMA's RAD Responder, that can help support strike team tracking, measurement data upload from the field, and the display of models and measurements on maps that can be shared across the response community. A radiological analyst is an important asset during this tactic to review all the collected and mapped radiological data, and to support recommendations for public health and safety decisions. See Annex 4, Advanced Tactics and Data Analyst Decision Support Guide for additional information. Tactic 8 Summary. Life-saving operations take priority over radiation measurements. Wind variability in the urban environment will affect contamination location. Deploy Strike Team 1 to determine on-scene conditions and direction of contamination. Deploy Strike Team 2 to measure the 1-kilometer transect. Deploy Strike Team 3 to measure actual hot zone boundary. The 10-point monitoring plan, and the data collection from outlying areas, should use nearby facilities that have radiation monitoring capability. A radiological analyst is needed to interpret models and measurement data to support decision-making. For more information, turn to page 27 of the RDD Response Guidance.